I'm Elaine with What If Counselling Services, talking today about couples counseling. And I have here the 5 most asked questions that couples usually wonders about. The question number 1 is, what kind of issues we as a couple can come to therapy? Well, there is a variety of issues that the couples can get help from couples therapy. It could be about communications, that usually it is more than communication. It is how they develop patterns that provides them with other negative cycles that generates conflicts. So conflicts resolutions is another issue that couples comes for therapy. Sometimes infidelity, or sometimes when they are parenting and they are getting a lot of disagreement because of parenting, and so many other issues that maybe you want to talk about it, and you can just contact us. Question number 2 that people ask, it is, how long does couples therapy last? How long am I going to be involved in this therapeutic approach of couples therapy? Well, that it can be different for different couples, and it could be any time between 2, 4, 10 sessions. It depends the complexity of the issues. It depends how long the issues are there for, and it depends how much commitment each person in a relationship and hopefully as a couple is willing to commit it to. The question number 3 that the people also wonder about, and it is very important, they say, hey, Elaine, it's everything that I'm sharing with you going to be private, confidential? And my answer is always yes. This is a safe place for you to share what you need to share, your emotions, your feelings, your thoughts, what's happening to the relationship. And of course, in the sessions, we explain the limitations to confidentiality, but that this is a safe place for people to talk to. There is also a question number 4 that the people often ask, and this is, should both of us attend all the sessions, or it is only one of my spouse or my partner that needs to attend? And the answer is most of the time. Maybe there will be some exceptions, but yes, couples therapy, both of you needs to be in agreement to come to therapy. And sometimes therapists make it very thoughtful decisions to refer a person or the spouses for individual counseling to do a specific work. But when there is couples, there is no secret, and the work is together because the healing happens together. And finally, I know that there is more questions, but the question number 5, it is, what should I expect when I signed up for my first session in couples therapy? Well, in your first couples therapy, you will have already individually answered an intake that I will receive prior to our session, but then we're going to review together all that information that helps the relationship to inform me as a therapist to what's happening and what it is the main issues and what we want to do about that issues, that it is the goal of this treatment. And then from there, we will continue building an alliance, engaging in the healing process of improving the relationship and starting a new beginning and enhancing the relationship to grow to where it deserves to be and where you want to go. So now you have these questions answered, but perhaps you have other questions in your mind that it is so particular to your scenario, to your relationship. And here I am. You can always reach me out by email, or you can call me, go through the website and contact me with your question. And the first consultation is free. It's on me, because I am fully committed and invested, as you are, in making your relationship to flourish to where you want to be. Couples therapy can be a great enhancement for you to start this journey. Don't delay, start today.